Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we turn your outdoor dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Hello, green thumbs and decor lovers, and welcome back to Garden Decor Designs. Are you dreaming of a home filled with lush greenery, but you're short on floor space? Then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of the plant shelf garden, the ultimate way to bring nature indoors. We're covering what they are, why you absolutely need one, how to decorate yours to look absolutely beautiful, and the best plants for the job. Get ready for 10 incredible ideas that will inspire your next project. Let's get growing. Simply put, a plant shelf garden is a purposeful collection of indoor plants. It's played together on vertical shelving, racks, or wall-mounted units. It's more than just a few scattered potted plants. It's a curated, cohesive, multi-tiered display designed to maximize space and create a dramatic living focal point. Think of it as a vertical mini greenhouse or an indoor sanctuary where you optimize light, humidity, and visual appeal by layering different plant sizes, colors, and textures across multiple levels. This design approach allows even the smallest room to host an impressive collection. The benefits of having a plant shelf garden are immense, extending far beyond simple aesthetics. First, it's a masterclass in space efficiency. By utilizing vertical space, you free up floor area, making it perfect for apartments or small homes. Second, it dramatically improves air quality by increasing the number of air-purifying plants in one area, helping to filter toxins and boost oxygen levels. Third, it's a major mental health booster. Studies show that being around plants reduces stress and increases feelings of well-being, turning your home into a relaxing escape. Finally, it acts as a central hub for care. Grouping your plants makes watering, misting, and inspecting them much easier and more efficient. Plus, the collective grouping helps naturally raise humidity levels, which many houseplants absolutely love. To elevate your plant shelf garden from just collection of pots to a truly beautiful feature, start by treating the shelves as a design element themselves. Vary the heights and textures. Use a mix of cascading, trailing plants like pothos or philodendron on the top shelves, mid-sized upright plants in the middle, and smaller succulents or unique potted varieties at the bottom. Incorporate non-plant decor to break up the greenery. Small pieces of art, ceramic figurines, books, or decorative lighting like fairy lights or small grow lights can add character. Choose complementary planters. Don't just stick to terracotta. Mix materials like textured ceramics, woven baskets, or unique DIY planters like the repurposed guitar in one of our ideas later. Consistency in color, like sticking to white, black, and wood tones can unify a highly diverse plant collection, creating a cohesive, professionally decorated look. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a thriving plant shelf garden. The best selections typically include a mix of trailing, upright, and slow-growing varieties that can handle the light conditions of their specific shelf level. For the top and middle shelves where light is best, consider trailing beauties like silver pothos, heartleaf philodendron, or a string of hearts. For upright structure, look to the reliable snake plant, ZZ plant, or various calathea species. For the lower, shadier shelves, plants like the cast iron plant or peace lily are excellent choices. Always remember to group plants with similar watering and light needs together to make your care routine simple and successful. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 15 best plant shelf garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The dramatic trailing wall of green, the ultimate indoor vertical jungle. This idea utilizes a tall, dark metal shelving unit to create a high-impact floor toozling display. The key to its success is the maximum use of trailing vines, Scindapsus, Pictus, and various philodendrons, which are encouraged to spill over the edges of the terracotta pots. The height difference between the tiers provides ample space for the plants to cascade. creating the look of a dense living wall that acts as a stunning centerpiece in any room. 2. Honeycomb hexagon shelving statement. Geometric harmony, hexagon floating plant display. Moving beyond traditional shelves. This design uses interconnected wooden hexagon shelves mounted directly to a clean white wall. The repeating geometric pattern adds a modern, artistic flair. Placing a large, comfortable chair below transforms the wall into a beautiful, plant-filled reading nook, perfectly integrating the display into a cozy and functional living space. 3. Illuminated industrial ladder shelf. Modern industrial look with integrated grow lights. This narrow tiered shelving unit is an excellent example of optimizing space near a window or door. The design incorporates a vital feature, under-shelf LED grow lights. These lights not only highlight the variety of small pots, but also ensure adequate light for the plants, making it a perfect setup for darker corners or for showcasing high-value light-loving collector plants. 4. Floating corner shelves for maximum pop. Bold contrast corner plant oasis. This setup masterfully uses a tricky corner space with live edge wooden floating shelves mounted against a deep, dark accent wall. The dark wall allows the colorful and patterned ceramic planters to truly pop, making the greenery look even more vibrant. The placement of a large trailing plant in the middle ties the multi-level corner shelves together beautifully. 5. Boho chic hanging macrame shelf. Minimalist macrame and hoop hanging garden. This idea brings a soft bohemian aesthetic to plant display. It features a unique brass ring and wooden shelf supported by beaded cords, complemented by a classic macrame plant hanger. This style works well for showcasing smaller, delicate plants and adds texture and visual interest to a quiet, light-colored wall without overwhelming the space. 6. Fireplace mantle and ladder shelf integration. Cozy fireplace side ladder display. This design perfectly integrates plants into the heart of the living room decor. A sleek, modern ladder-style shelving unit sits next to a white fireplace, providing vertical space for cascading plants and decor. The large, stunning Calathea orbifolia or similar placed on the hearth grounds the entire display, bringing life and color to a typically non-living area. 7. The Haig Window Sanctuary. Scandinavian-inspired window reading nook. While not a traditional shelf, this windowsill is utilized as a garden display, perfectly framing the outdoor view. The focus is on cozy, Haig-inspired comfort, pairing the simple plants with soft textures like sheepskin rugs, plush blankets, and ambient candlelight. This shows how a few plants and the right accessories can turn a sunny corner into a retreat. 8. Gallery wall plant harmony. Eclectic living room with integrated plant shelves. This living space is a vibrant mix of art, color, and greenery. The plants are cleverly integrated using a tall, open metal and wood shelving unit that serves as a room divider display case for both plants. And personal collectibles like records or art, the shelves, are placed strategically to catch the sun and blend seamlessly with the colorful gallery wall and patterned tile floor. 9. Repurposed guitar planter shelf. Creative DIY upcycled musical instrument planter. This is the ultimate example of unique personalized decor. An old acoustic guitar body has been creatively repurposed into a small wall-mounted shelf, perfect for small terracotta pots and trailing vines. This idea is fantastic for adding character, storytelling, and a touch of whimsy to a smaller wall area near a stairwell or hallway. 10. Rustic A-frame ladder shelf. Rustic A-frame ladder plants stand with diverse collection. This natural wood triangular A-frame shelving unit provides a staggered vertical display, ideal for showcasing a highly diverse collection of plants. From the large variegated leaves of a Monstera adansone to small potted succulents. The unique structure adds a rustic architectural element that beautifully complements the natural textures of the pots and leaves. 11. Floating shelves over a kitchen sink. The culinary green canopy kitchen shelf garden. This idea beautifully utilizes the space above the kitchen counter and sink. Two long, floating white shelves provide maximum room for a vibrant mix of trailing philodendrons and upright pots, creating a green canopy effect. The proximity to the sink makes watering convenient, and the natural humidity from the area is a bonus for the tropical plants. Decorative elements like the moon phase art and unique mugs complete this functional and earthy kitchen corner. Point. Pastel pop cubby display. Bold and beautiful. Pastel pink cubby shelf. This design is a testament to bold color and meticulous organization. A custom-built cubby shelf painted in a vibrant pastel pink with light green accents creates distinct microenvironments for each item. The geometric compartments are perfect for showcasing small succulents, cuttings in water, crystals, and unique face planters, resulting in a playful, stylized, and maximalist display that adds a massive burst of color to the room. 13. Simple serenity with tiered floating shelves. Minimalist warmth, clean floating shelf display, demonstrating that less can be more. This design uses simple, white floating shelves with subtle brackets. The display is kept clean with minimal clutter, focusing on the beautiful contrast between white pots, warm terracotta, and the lush green foliage of vining plants. The placement of a large mirror beneath the shelves maximizes the natural light and reflects the greenery, making the entire space feel larger and brighter, achieving a serene, uncluttered aesthetic. Bohemian rattan nook shelf. Curated boho-style arched rattan display. This setup features a highly decorative arched rattan shelf, creating an intimate bohemian vignette. It focuses on highly textural and uniquely patterned items, including a begonia maculata with its distinctive polka dots, trailing string of hearts, and various artisan face planters. The small framed artwork adds a personalized artistic touch, proving that a small shelf can still hold a powerful decorative impact. 15. Layered plant. Ladder mega display. The full-scale indoor greenhouse ladder. This is an impressive high-density display using a wide-open ladder-style shelving unit to house a vast collection. The design is all about layering, mixing full, bushy plants on the bottom and floor, mid-sized plants on the lower shelves, and trailing plants across the top. The uniform use of terracotta pots provides a cohesive rustic foundation, allowing the incredible variety of greens, silvers, and chartreuse foliage to be the true stars of this stunning floor-to-ceiling indoor garden. From repurposing an old guitar to building a floor-to-ceiling jungle with industrial shelving, we've seen that a plant shelf garden is a versatile, beautiful, and space-saving solution for any plant lover. It's an ongoing project, a living piece of art that continuously grows and evolves with you and your home. So gather your plants, pick your favorite shelving idea, and start creating that lush, vibrant indoor oasis you've always wanted. Which of these 10 ideas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about your projects. If you found this video inspiring, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more amazing indoor and outdoor decor inspiration. And ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next one.